Hello guys, my name is Harry and this is my review. So in a couple of the videos which I've been sharing with you guys, I've been trying to make a review of some of the different contents. And today in front of me, I have this JBL Harmony Clip 4. So for those who might be wondering, so this is a mini JBL Bluetooth speaker. It comes with a few details, if you can see. Comes with there is this very small emblem here which is JBL Harmony, but also down here it shows its model, if that is clip 4. Below here it shows that this one can be played via Bluetooth, and this is the play hour. So play hour is about 10 hours. Apart from that, let us see from the other side of this one. On the other side here, no much information. I just see the design award. There is a Red winner. So it says it has been integrated with him. Carabiner mosquito integrate. We will see on the end. But also on the back here, it just have the few informations like the clip 4. But also it has a let me try to focus a little bit so if you can see. So it has about 10 hours of playtime, but also IP67 waterproof and dust proof. So in case you drop this one on water with that rate, which is about like 1 meter, and for the time about like up to 2 minutes, I think it will be okay. But I'm sure there is no one who want to throw this speaker on water. There is no need for that. So they just put water resistant and dust resistant due to the nature of the environment which most of us users will use it. So it has, so this is its packaging. Portable Bluetooth speaker on the top here, if you can see. Yes, I just zoom a little bit. And on the back here, it just has a few logos and QR codes. So without wasting your time, guys, let me just pop this one open and then you can see what is inside of this one, of this JBL mini Bluetooth speaker. So right here I have my razor blade, and to open this one, I think I have to turn here. You can use anything convenient, but for me I think I would use this this razor blade. Just pop this one open, pull this one up, open the end here. There it is, you can see. So this JBL mini Bluetooth speaker, it comes in a military color, just as you can see, but it is mixed with this alloy and this yellow-like color. So this is its packaging. Let me see. Okay, we have something extra here. Okay, this must be a manual. Oh, so this is a quick start guide. How like I know this is how to use. So this is a quick start guide. What's in the box? The mode of play, playtime, charging instructions, carabiner, waterproof, dustproof, up to IP67, which is about up to 30 minutes in the depth of 1 meter. But also it takes specs. So I will just show you guys and then you can see how this one is done. And then on the other hand, it has this safety instruction and the warranty card, product registration, some instruction. I don't think if I need this one, but maybe I think I will go through this one in my own time. I won't cover everything in this video, but for your reference, I think you might need this one. But also I see, I don't understand this Chinese actually. So let us see the device itself. In the package we get this one, the speaker itself, but also on the other side here you can see, you can bend here. On the other side here you get, what do we get here? Okay, so on the box here we got this one, the speaker itself, but also on the edge here it looks there is something extra. There is USB Type-C for charging. So I do believe that if it happens you then your hands on this speaker, the first thing you have to do, you have to recharge it to make sure it is fully charged. That's when you have to start using this one. So in the e-box it comes with the package, the speaker, the USB, and a few couple of instructions like a quick guide how to use it, some warranty and a product registration. Apart from that, that's all guys. So let us try to play this one and we can test its speaker. So for each instruction, if you can see on this quick guide, the carabiner is just right here, which is this one, in case you want to strap on the back of your backpack, or in case you want to strap on your waist or whatever place you think this one will be suitable. This one is made for that. Apart from that, I think if we need this one, now let us try to test the speaker and see how it sounds. So to turn this one on here you can see the power switch button, and this one is the Bluetooth icon. So once you switch this one on, you have to turn on the Bluetooth, and then you connect to your either speaker or whatever multimedia you're going to use. And this one is for lowering the volume or playback. This one is for stopping, and this one is for volume up or playing next track. So for the demonstration purpose, because I don't have another phone, I think I'm gonna use my computer for this demonstration. So I will turn this one on, and once I turn this one on, you can see the light is blinking on the edge here. Now let me grab my computer real quick. Right now the device is just displayed on my computer, so I will just click and then it will give me some confirmation it is done. You can hear the beep sound on the background. So I'm gonna choose some of the music here and see how it sounds. I'm so worried that YouTube will flag my video. I'm just gonna play this one for a short time. So that was the test sound, and it sounds great. So anyway guys, I think if it happen you get this one, or like all of the mini model of this one, I think it will be useful to you. So with that said, I would like to say thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you on the other videos. In case you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Share this video. I know there are music lovers out there, and I hope they would like to enjoy this device. See you on the next one.